Hi, I'm going to tell how to use Paint in Windows. So to open the Windows, just go to Start menu and type Paint. Then the Paint tool will open. Here we'll get a lot of tools. The color tools will be there, shapes will be there, and tools will be there. Then images. So a lot of panels will be there. So this is the canvas area. We need to paint. And below that, if you can see what is the pixel currently having, you can increase the pixel by moving this small dot. In the right side also some dots will be there. You can move like this. You can change the canvas area based on the pixel. So once you set the pixel, you can start drawing on that. So first I'll tell all the tools how it is working. So this is a pencil tool. You can change the pencil size using this. So change size of the pencil will decrease. Now if you want to erase that, you can use erase tool. So using that you can erase that. If you want to increase the size of the erase tool, you can do like this. So like this. Next I draw one color here. You can change the color by clicking here any one of the color. So this is a picker tool. It will pick the color. So now if I click here, it will pick the red color. So it will be useful during image editing. So that I will tell later in separate video. So here I will tell how to draw simply in the paint. So this is a paint tool. So it's a filler tool. It will fill the color. So here we have a list of shapes. You can take one shape, and in that if you want to fill that color, just click the that filling paint box. Then you can choose the color, which color you want to put. You can change it to blue, then fill it. So simply you can fill that color. And if you want to add text, so you want to add text in that, you can just click and you can do like this. Here you can type your text. You can change the size here, and you can change the format, underline, and this opaque, so transparent. Then if you want to change the color, go here and click like that, then it will change. You can keep it here, and you can change the position of this text box. So we know about pencil, eraser, paint filling, and picker tool, and this is a zoom tool. You can zoom where you want to edit, and if you want to zoom out, you can use the view and zoom out. So this is rotate tool. You can rotate the picture like this, how much you want. If you want to revert back to previous edit, then you can put Control Z. Then this is a resize tool. You can change the canvas area by percentage or pixel. So okay, I'll press Control Z continuously, then it will go back to the previous edit. So apart from that, we have two more options like brushes and the grabbing tool. You can grab that picture. So how we can use that brush? You can take one brush and you can change size also, and you can see how it is painting. So it is like a pen, and this one also like a pen. And this is dotted lines, you can change the size and you can put. So this will be used for shadings and all in the picture. And this is like a oil color. And this one, this will be nice while giving fadings and all. And this is like a transparent color. And this one you can change the size, it's like a pencil shading. And this one, it's like a watercolor, so you can change the color also. Though these and all we can use during drawing. And what is grabbing tool, we can grab as a rectangular or free transform. So let me choose rectangle. You can grab this like grab like this and copy it, just grab, copy and right paste. So like that we can get how much you want. So this is the feature of graphing. You can crop that picture, and in the free transform you can select the area. So copy and paste it, so you can get like this. So these are the overall feature of paint. Using that we can do painting. Let me do one sample painting. Now I'll just draw one picture and how to do coloring and all. So I'll take one pencil tool and length I will take it like this, and I am drawing. So while drawing you should not put a continuous line. Then if you do undo, then it will erase all the things. Once you did this much, you give some gap and again you draw that. Just give some gap. So I draw some elephant playing. So if you want to erase something and want to redraw, you can do like this. You can erase like this, and you can draw it properly. So you can erase like this and you can write overwrite that drawing easily. So it is easy to draw when we doing drawing in drawing book. So that's it. I draw something. So here I'll put some eye. So I did like that. So now I'll put some coloring. So elephant will be in block. You can take lot of brush tools will be there. You can take any one of the brush tool and just paint it in black. So if you change the size, it will be nice, easy to draw. So like that you can give color. So you can give color like that. If you want to change the background of this, you can fill the color with blue. So if you have any gap in that, it will fill the inside also. So check whether any gap in that. So if any gap, just fill it. And put it here. Yeah, perfect. So now some shapes will be there. You can take one shape and change the color to white, and you can fill yellow in that. So likewise you can draw the white color, change that to white, and you can draw some mountains. You can draw some mountains. So in the mountain you can fill brown color. So now some gap is there, we have to fill that. So should not keep any gap while filling. So here some gap is there. So perfectly filled. So we used like this, we can use all the shapes which we want. So stars. You can keep stars, and you can put like this. And you can put one you can fill that some color if you want. Mm, and you can do some text here, like I am. You can change the text color to black. I am hungry. You can increase the text. You can select and increase. You can move inside that. So we used these tools, and we use this one, and we use almost everything. Color picker is there, so if you want to use the same white color, you can pick the color and fill it here. Similarly, so this one over everything we covered almost. Suppose we need one more sun, so you can utilize this tool. So you can select rectangular or a free transform. So I will select rectangular now. You can just select copy and paste. So one more sun came. So like that you can grab the stars, copy and paste, and you can keep somewhere. So this is the grabbing tool. You can easily grab that, and this is a free transform. You can freely you can choose your path, and you can copy that and paste somewhere. So anywhere we can keep like this, and you can fill that picker, and you can take the color and fill the gap. So this is a simple picture I draw. So we used all the shaping tools and the coloring tools, how we have to do, and the text we have to do, and the picker, color picker, and if you want to zoom here, I can zoom that, how the picture be drawn perfectly. If any gap is there, we can fill that. So then I can zoom out. So apart from that, resize, we can resize that picture to 50 percentage, something like that. On the rotate, you can rotate that, and horizontal 180 degrees, so it just flip in that way. So resize to 100. That's it. Let me flip it again. Okay, it's came back to normal. So these are the tools we can use while doing drawing. Apart from that, we have some tools like you can change the color, then we can visible. So this one, this is like a pen, and this one, and this is the dotted lines, and so lots of tools are there, you can utilize those. So using that tool, we will put some grasses. See, this brush tool is nice to put grasses. So I'll change it to green and I'll put some grasses. So fill the black color. Let's see how it will be. So erase some area in the eye and put some dot, and we'll put some yes. We can take this tool size, we'll take this and change that to white. So in that you can fill white. So you can save that picture using JPEG, PNG, whatever. So JPEG is best for picture. You can save it as elephant. So picture will be saved here as elephant. So we draw one picture and we can able to do coloring and whatever you want. It's a simple tool. You can utilize this tool for simple cropping, coloring and editing. Just try that.